Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on AOL Mail. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for AOL Mail, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device and go to AOL.com. Here, tap Login or Join at the top right. You are now taken to the sign-in page, so tap Create an account. It is now time to fill in your login details, so enter your first and last name. Next, enter your email address and create a password. Also, select the appropriate dialing code and enter your phone number. Select your date of birth and add in your gender, but it is optional. When done, tap Continue. Here, tap Text me your verification code. This will send a code to your phone number, so enter the verification code and tap Verify. Finally, tap Done. And that's how you sign up for AOL Mail. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.